So today we are going to talk about concatenate and some um, text formatting. So today we want to combine the first name and the surname into full name. So we are going to use the function concatenate or concat. Concat is used to join two words together, two cells together if they are a string. So this cell, comma, this cell. But if I want to have space between them, I need to put double column, space, double column, then comma, then this cell again. After this, I will now close the bracket, I will hit enter. So we have concatenated. Now again, assuming want to number it from number 1 to maybe to anywhere where our data is, maybe to 1000 to 2000. So we just need to write 1, 2. We don't need to be writing it like this. 3. So you can just highlight to this 3, then you drag. So this is how we do this one also. Now again, maybe you want your full name to be in full letter, so that everything will be in capital letter, right? Rather, everything will be in capital letter. Let me write it in full name so that it will be in capital. So we have a function called upper. You write equal to upper. Which cell you want it to be in upper? This cell. Then you close the bracket, enter. You have seen that everything is now in upper case. You double click. Or you want it to be in small letter. You want it to be in small letter. You write equal to lower. Then this lower, you tick your cell, then you hit enter, then you double click. So you can see that this, let me expand my cell. You can see that this one now, all the letter here is what is in capital letter, and all the letter here is in small letter. For it to be in capital letter, you use upper function. For it to be in lower function, in lower letter, you use lower function. So this is how we did. This is how we again. We have something called conditional formatting. So this conditional formatting, assuming we have some numbers, we have 23, 45, 50, 75. Let me just write their scores. Let me just choose their scores so that it will make sense. Let's say this one called 23, 45, 50, 65, 80, 25, 76, 89, and 40. So we want to apply conditional formatting here. Maybe we have, if you firstly highlight, before you can apply your conditional formatting. You now come to this conditional formatting. If you come here, you see we have many rows there that highlight the cell rows. This highlight the cell row, maybe you want to check student that get less than a number or that get the number greater than a number. So maybe you want to see that student that get more than 50. Maybe we have a very big data and you have their score like this. You want to know the student that got more than 50. You can just come here that student got more than 50. Let's just write 50. Student got more than 50 now. It will be what? It will be highlighted. So this is the student that get more than 50. 65 is more than 50. 76, 70, 78, 76, and 89. They got more than 50. Let's highlight again. Let's come here. Let's clear the rule from entire function. So again, maybe out of this now, maybe they have lower scores and you want to see the top 10 or top 20 or top average. You can just come here and take them. So let's come here again. If you want to get, maybe you have find your mean value, that so students that got between, if you check this one very well, our mean value is, the mean of this one now is 54.55. You can check that one first. So let's check our mean. Our average value, we are equal to average from here. So close the bracket. So our mean is what? 54.5556. So you want to check who greater than 50 in the mean value. Those people that greater than, that got more than mean value. Student that got more than mean value. So if you just come here now, greater than, the mean value is 54.55. So 54.55, let's just 54.55 rather. I'm putting to whole number. So you can see that students that got more than the mean are 65, 60, 78, and 76, and 60, 89. Again, maybe you want to visualize it with some simple charts. You can just come here. Let's clear the rules first. Clear the rules. You can just come here. We have data bar or color scale. Let's use data bar. A high concept rather. So if you use high concept now, if you take the first one, now let me explain it. This arrow down, that is you see now, it shows that the value is very small. It's a small value, and this one is a middle value, a middle value, a middle value. This one is what? Higher value, lower value, higher value, higher value, and lower value. So these are the what? These are the icon setting, icon bar in our conditional formatting. Thank you. See you in another video.